Snack happy. Hi, I'm Todd, and this is my world. Today, my friends and I are playing and eating lunch at the park. Lunchtime! Bing, 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 bing. Ooh, look at the special tuna sandwich my mom made. It's a sandwich and a puzzle, and it goes perfectly with an apple and some celery.
That looks delicious, Stella. What do you have, Todd?
I have everything in the sky. Cheese stars, turkey sandwich moons, and a big orange sun.
I'd sure like a piece of that sky.
Pickle, your lunchbox is hopping.
That's because of the spicy rice balls inside.
Everything looks so good.
I have broccoli with cheese sauce. I pretend they're snow-covered trees, and then I'm a great big giant who gobbles them all up.
Oh, that sure sounds good, Sophie. I can't wait to eat my lunch. Whoa, I must really be hungry. Hear how loud my tummy's rumbling?
That's not your tummy, Benny. It's that big truck. That's it, Bert. Take her away.
Look at all those sweet and gooey snacks. Too bad they didn't put in an apple machine instead.
Caramel gooeyes. Marshmallow minis. Salty snips.
Oh, chocolate crunchies.
Sugar yummies.
So, you like those snacks, do you?
Who wouldn't? When you eat a sugar yummy, it goes down to your tummy. You can start by eating one, then eat 4 more. Eat 1, eat 2, eat 3, eat 4, eat 5, eat 6, and ask 4 more.
Goodness. I know they taste good, but one sugary treat is enough.
Sugar yummies are my favorite.
It's okay to have a snack like that every once in a while, Pickle. After you've eaten your lunch.
We can have a snack every day now. Or 2 snacks. Or 3. Or 4. Yay!
You should be careful about how much junk food you eat, Pickle.
Are all those snacks in the machine junk food, Officer Becky?
I'm afraid so. You see, there are 2 kinds of food that taste good. There's good-tasting food that's also good for you.
Like broccoli and cheese. And turkey sandwiches.
Right. And there's good-tasting food that's really just junk.
I don't get it.
Let's pretend your body is a car.
Okay.
If you put in good, healthy food, your car can run all afternoon and not run out of gas. But if you only put in junk food, or too much junk food, you'll start out going fast. But before long, you'll run out of gas completely. Now do you get it, Pickle?
Sure. If you want to keep going all day, you have to eat good food.
That's right. So enjoy your lunches. I'll see you kids later.
I'm glad good food tastes so good.
Junk food tastes really good, too. I eat a sugar yummy, it goes down to your tummy. You can start by eating 1, then eat 4 more.
Gosh, you didn't eat much of your lunch, Pickle.
I guess I wasn't hungry. Besides, I'm saving room for a junk food snack.
But don't you remember what Officer Becky told us?
Sure. She said it's okay to have a snack like that every once in a while. So I'm going to get one. Oh boy, I've been waiting for you. Do I want chocolate crunchies or marshmallow minis? You're right. I want sugar yummies. Wow, that's so great. Okay, you can each have one. Yummy, yum.
Fabulous! Are you going to get something, Pickle?
Well, sure. I'll get something.
Yum, yum, yum.
You can start by eating one, then eat 4 more.
Come on, everyone! Let's go play now! Okay. Let's go!
Yeah.
I'm right behind you. But first, I think I'm gonna buy one more snack. I know Officer Becky said we should only have 1 snack, but I've already had 2, so I might as well have 3. Like the song says, eat 1, eat 2, eat 3, eat 4, eat 5, eat 6, then ask for more.
I wonder where Pickle is. Here he comes now!
Come on, everyone! Let's play Follow the Leader!
Leaping lemon drops! Pickle sure has a lot of energy today.
Look out!
No more airplanes! Now we're frogs! Follow me! Going ribbon, going ribbon, going ribbon, going ribbon! Going ribbon, going ribbon, going ribbon, going
Whoa!
ribbon!
I'm not gonna follow that leader.
Me neither. He's too wild.
Going ribbon, going ribbon, going ribbon, going ribbon, going ribbon.
Oh,
No,
you all
Pickle!
right, buddy?
Are you all right?
I think I just ran out of gas.
You did?
But you had all those delicious spicy rice balls for lunch. Those are good food.
He didn't eat them. I saw him put most of his lunch back into his lunchbox. What did you eat, Pickle?
3 whole bags of sugar yummies.
3 whole bags?
I don't feel so good. Ugh.
No wonder he's out of gas. All he ate was junk food. He needs some healthy food to get him up and running again.
I feel better already. From now on, I'm gonna eat all of my lunch. Then if I want a snack, I'll only have 1. Not 5 or 6 or 7 or more.
There's a better way to sing that song, Pickle. It goes like this. If you want to jump and run, skip and hop out in the sun, play all day and have some fun, then eat good food. Cheese, apples, and broccoli. Eat good food and be healthy. It's okay to have junk food sometimes, but healthy food is what gives us energy to play all day. See you next time. Love, Todd. Hey everyone, let's listen to the ToddWorld music video jukebox.
Come on along, sing a happy song as loud as you can all day long. La la la, da da da, eh eh eh, ha ha ha. Come along with me and see what you can be. Just imagine and pretend the winner in a great big race, an astronaut up in space. Come on along, sing a happy song, put a skip in your your step, and you can't go wrong. Come on along, sing a happy song as loud as you can all day long. La la la, da da da, hey hey hey, ah ah ah. La la la, da da da, hey hey.
Wow, Duke had made quite a rescue. I didn't even know Sir Harold's name used to be Falcon. And every day you learn something new, Teddy. Okay, back to our royal theme. You know, I wish dragons weren't so scary and dangerous. Breakfast to the kings and queens. Yeah, well, spoiler alert, dragons aren't real.
I've got a bad feeling. Wait, maybe it's just something I ate.
Yeah,
there's a place for us. Where only we can go.
Excuse me. Of course.
Break down the doors, knock out the lights. Please don't be just fine. 'Cause there's a place for us.
You ready? Let's go.
On the magical world of Disney Junior, this family isn't just super. This family is incredible. A household of heroes trying their best to be normal. Who started it and doing their best to save the world.
47 Lollipop Junior channel is coming to a screen near you.
Time for us to head home.
I want to play some more.
Hey, we hear you. That's why the 24/7 Lollipop Junior channel is coming.
I'm back, baby!
Whole days of friendly dinos.
Oh, hi!
Curious animals.
I think nature is so interesting.
And also,
Please describe the taste of lamb's eyes. Yeah.
okay, definitely not lamb's eyes. The learning never stops here.
Let's go!
The 24/7 Lollipop Junior channel is coming to a screen near you.